Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel where we discuss amazing tips that can help to boost your e-commerce business. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about how to use ChatGPT to design Facebook ad thumbnails that generate massive orders. Massive orders is the order of the day in your e-commerce business. That is what we are talking about in a day in your e-commerce business. You should be aiming to do at least 100 orders in a day. You should be aiming for that. It's very possible, and there are many people that are doing that. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT to design Facebook ad thumbnail. In my previous video, I made a video where I talked about how to use Canva to design Facebook ad thumbnail. But today we are going to be talking about using ChatGPT. AI is now and AI is the future. I'm going to be showing you how to use AI ChatGPT to design Facebook ad thumbnail for massive orders. So this is what we are going to do. So the first step is to find your sample and inspiration. Your sample. What I usually do is I'll go to Pinterest and I'll say, Pinterest, I'll type anti-acne cream for Facebook ad. I can type anti-acne cream Facebook ad thumbnail. So once you type this and click enter, it will generate something. It will give you different samples. It will give you different samples. So what we're going to do is I've already done and typed this in, and this is what it generated for me. This sample, I would like this sample. So what we are going to do is we are going to use this sample as inspiration for our own Facebook ad thumbnail. So the next thing after you have found your sample is that you are going to look for an African model. You are going to look for an African model because now, if you are I'm African. You might be in the US, you might be in Europe watching this video, and your target audience are white people, Caucasians. You can use Caucasian model. But for me, my target audience are African people because I'm in Nigeria. My ad is going to be displaying to African audience. So what we are going to do is I'm going to look for an African model. You can go to Google, just go to Google and type, okay, this is Google here, sorry. You can type beautiful African women stock photo and it will generate many images, stock photos of beautiful African women, which you can use as your sample. But for me, I already have a model. So an Epiderm cream is our product that we're creating a campaign for. Epiderm cream is like an anti-acne cream which I've used before when I was always battling with facial acne, and it worked for me. So I'm using it as a sample to create a Facebook ad thumbnail. Let's say I'm the Facebook ad manager for Epiderm cream company and I want to generate Facebook ad thumbnails for it. So this is a sample of it. So now we have our sample, we have our model. This is the model that I picked. Just download it and attach it, and this is sample of Epiderm cream. Now in this thumbnail here, you can see that it has a headline: clear skin in 30 days, from acne to glow, clear skin in 30 days. Then we have the before and after model. That's this lady here, the before and after model. Then we have the benefits is here listed here, what the product is going to do for the customer. And then we have mock-up of the product. This is the mock-up of the product here. This here we have it. Then we have a call to action which is under this green button. So now we are going to create a prompt. ChatGPT is all about input and output. What you tell ChatGPT to generate is what ChatGPT is going to do for you. So the next step now is, after we have find our sample and inspiration, we have picked our elements which I just talked about. Now the next thing is to submit your prompts to ChatGPT. So we are going to create a prompt which is our inputs that we are giving to ChatGPT to generate for us. So I say, hello ChatGPT, I want you to be a creative graphic designer that generates attention grabbing Facebook ad thumbnails for my campaign. Using the first thumbnail as inspiration, create a Facebook ad thumbnail for Epidem Cream, a cream that helps treat facial acne within 30 days. I want you to use the African model attached to this prompt as the main model on the thumbnail. Also, I want you to give her a before and after acne element, just like the sample thumbnail. Add the benefits of the product and give a strong call to action. Remove the aloe vera element and use Epidem Cream as the main product. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this and we're going to go to ChatGPT. I'm sure most of you have a ChatGPT account by now. So we're going to go there, then we're going to attach our thumbnails of written all our elements to this prompt. So attach this, and attach this. So wait for it to load. So we are going to copy our prompt and submit it. So you see and wait for what it's going to give us. So you can see that this is what it's generated. So we will now say, okay, the next step is do your adjustments, because we know that ChatGPT might not generate the best of the best, might not generate exactly what we want from the first time. So we'll now say, we'll now say, let the dimensions of the first image be 1080 x 1350 to follow Facebook ad dimensions. So what we are going to do is then we'll just submit it, because 1080 1350 is the dimensions that is very good for Facebook ads. So we'll submit it and see what it generates. So you can see what it generated. Now, what's the next step? Generate your variation. So after it has generated this, you can now say ChatGPT, because you know that Facebook ad is all about testing. You want to test different variations of this of your thumbnail. You don't want to just give Facebook only one thumbnail and tell them to test. You want to test different variations. So we'll now say, okay, kindly give me another variation of this thumbnail with red elements and also don't be afraid to give me a better and more attention grabbing version of the main headline. Let the product remain the same. So you just give them, then you see what it will generate. You see that it will give you another version of this same thumbnail that came out. Now you can see it has given us in red. You can see now another variation. You might be surprised that this one will be the one that will even give you more order than the first one. You can now create another one again. You can see there, you can still copy this thing and just submit it here, and then turn it to green. Want it to give us a green element. Green elements. So kindly give me another variation of this thumbnail with green element, and also don't be afraid to give me a better and more attention grabbing version of the main headline. So you just submit it. You see that you give us another version of this same thumbnail with green headline. See that it has given us another green version. You can see now you can go and run. The next step now is, after it has given you the variations you need, you can now go and test your Facebook ad and scale it. So now these 3 versions that it has given us here, you now go to your Facebook ad and test it with a Facebook ad copy and headline. There is a video that I created that will show you how to actually test your creatives using Facebook ads. So you can go and watch that video. I just uploaded it recently, so you can go and watch that video and understand how to test your creative. You can ask ChatGPT to generate an ad copy and a headline for this thumbnail that we can use to test. You can even say, okay, say kindly generate 5 Facebook ad copies and 5 Facebook ad headlines for this campaign. You see now it generates it sharp. Look at it here. It gave us one problem to solution, short and punchy, confidence angle, curiosity scroll stopper, strong and direct response, and it also gave you the headline for each of it. It gave you the headline for it. More confidence start with better skin. Your clear skin journey starts here. Ready to take control of acne. Now you can go and use this same thumbnail, this ad copies, to go and test your Facebook ad. Now once you test it, within 2 to 3 days, you will find one of the thumbnail that will be giving you orders. Then that thumbnail that is giving you orders, you allow it to keep running. The one that is not giving you orders, you off it. Then you scale that campaign into 3. That's how you scale that campaign. Duplicate it into 3. I've already created a separate video for this. So I uploaded it in this YouTube channel. So go and watch it again. It's there. Go and keep watching. You will understand everything. So with this video, I hope you have understood how to use ChatGPT to generate Facebook ad thumbnails for your Facebook ad campaigns. Stay tuned. Like this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section and I will answer you. If you don't have any question, just say well done, sir, to encourage me and also to make this video. When you drop a like and you drop a comment, it makes this video keep spreading for other people to enjoy it. So go and watch more videos, and also make sure you implement. Implementation is where the magic happens. So go and implement. I will see you later in my next video. Thank you. So if you know you got value from this video and you want to learn more about e-commerce, don't hesitate to click on the description and check out a list of all my courses. You will learn about a list of tested and trusted products that you can start selling in your e-commerce business in the Millionaire Maker Hot Product Blueprints. You also learn how to grow and monetize your WhatsApp group and your email list in one of the courses below. You will also learn how to build a community that loves you, trusts you, and buys from you in one of my courses linked in the description. So if you know you want to learn more about e-commerce so that you can grow your business even as a beginner or an intermediate or an expert, you can get any of those courses and you are going to learn something valuable from it. Click on the link in the description to get it now. Thank you.